How satisfying is removing years of dirt and turning your objects brand new again? Just think about it. In this video, we will show you how very skilled workers use water pressure to accomplish exactly that. So, sit comfortably and stay until the end for the full experience. Your eyes will be pleased with a mix of unimaginable results and a relaxation journey. Let's start with a brief understanding of what pressure washing is. As the name suggests, it involves the application of high-pressure water spray to surfaces and objects, including buildings, cars, and concrete surfaces, in order to remove loose paint, mold, grime, dust, muck, and filth. Common pressure washers can exert between 2,000 and 5,000 pounds per square inch of pressure, which is strong enough to break through a person's skin. You may have heard also of power washers, which are the same as pressure washers, with the added functionality of heating up the water for heavier duties, like outdoor surfaces. And jet washers, with PSI between 10,000 and 40,000 for ultra-duty industrial jobs. Now, let's go check out our skilled workers in action. Water makeover. As the highly potent water blasts the filth, mold and dirt away, the door entirely changes color. But what about softer materials, like a plastic chair? Let's check it out. Impressionante, and so relaxing at the same time. In just few seconds, you can have a brand new chair. How many times have you seen these old-style parapets in dark grey color? Did you know they could be washed? It's like you have traveled back in time when this house and terrace were built. Now, let's go check out some heavier duty stuff. This meticulous approach allows to quickly clean up the path with limited effort. He's using a disc-like attachment known as a surface cleaner, which spreads the water over a wider area. Because of this, power washers can clean in broad, pleasing strokes, producing footage that is immensely satisfying, and outcomes that will make the neighbors envious. I have always wondered how artificial grass could be cleaned. I remember playing football or soccer for our American friends over dirty and smelly artificial carpets that have been like that for ages. Now there is a great solution for them. Fine with objects and ground surfaces, but what about house walls? Is there any risk of ruining them? Let's see. Years of mush accumulation is gone in few seconds. How satisfying is that? Okay, walls are done. Let's move on to the roof. Even the landlord didn't know that the roof originally had that color. Let's raise the bar and see if pressure washers can fight back nature taking possession of this pathway. Mission accomplished, with little effort. Now, tell me something. What do you think the next video is on? Let's see if you guessed right. It was a pool closure. The glass was so dirty that the homeowner didn't even know it was glass. He just bought the house and asked to clean the roof because it was covered with black and green algae. It's incredible what pressure washers can do. Even backyard ponds, skate parks, and tennis courts can turn back to their original colors. But I want to leave you with a great idea for Halloween as we are approaching the season. If you enjoyed the video, then drop a like, it's always very appreciated. Also, comment down below what's your favorite video shot of the day. Curious to see which one impressed you the most. See you in the next episode. Buona giornata!